back to my daily crypto videos.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
As you guys can see right here, we got 3 critical points.
As you guys can see right here.
Bitcoin is currently falling right now. If I take out the daily time frame right here, just a second. Yeah, so this would be the daily time frame, guys. And we've been in this trend since the 21st of January, and it would be pretty bearish in my opinion if we were to break this trend right here. As you guys can see right here, let's take out the EMA ribbons real quick. And the EMA ribbons, we are currently holding pretty nicely. We are holding nicely in the ribbons right here. Let me zoom in. We are holding nicely. So I would like to see a rejection around this part, around this area. Currently down almost 3%, guys, 2.87%. No news on this dip. No news. Guys, the bearish part about this right here is that we just broke the 4-hour EMA ribbon and we're well down below it right now. Yeah, we're pretty well down below it. That's really not a good sign right here. Short term, we would definitely be bearish short term. We would really have to see what's gonna happen in the next days. This is not good. On a daily time frame, we're still fine, but for you traders out there, if you guys are in a long, not financial advice, of course, but this is not good. Not good, guys, not good. You guys can't see my RSI on the bottom, huh? My stochastic RSI, I'm assuming. Gonna try to fix that in a second. Let's see if I can try to fix that. Guys, just a second. I'm trying to share my whole screen. I don't know why it's showing just half of it. Just a second. this is the point of control right here. We broke down the point of control, which is not always the greatest sign. Let's see if we could get a... Alright, the next point of control would probably be right here, right here. On the daily time, yeah. Guys, we could theoretically break down all the way here. We could. I don't like how Bitcoin right now is currently breaking the... You know, we were in this trend for quite some time. So yeah, if it breaks another like 2%, I would say we are probably gonna enter a bear market. That's my opinion. Nothing is financial advice, of course. Let's take out this the daily. The main thing on the daily that that I'm looking at is here. Let's probably zoom in. Wow, guys, we are dumping right now. A lot of people think this is like nothing, 2%, but guys, you guys don't understand. This is like crucial. These are crucial like support levels right here. And if Bitcoin doesn't bounce back, that's like really bad. This right here is a crucial support level. So, we saw a support right here, right here, right here, and right here. We got 3 bounces off. This is the stochastic RSI. It doesn't look so good. I mean, I'm gonna... Wow, this is a disaster, guys. If we break this level, I'm not gonna be so bullish on the short term anymore. Will not. Definitely will not. Let's go to the 1 hour, guys. Wow, this is actually difficult to live stream. I don't know why. It makes my computer so laggy. Okay, guys, so right here we were in an ascending triangle and we broke down. That was the second time, guys, we break down of an ascending triangle. That was the second time. We did that, I believe it was 2 days ago. And now we are repeating the same thing. If you would take this, how would you take the target? Of course, it's too late, but just for educational purpose only. You would take this from the bottom down. Our target would have been this. That was our bullish target. And our bearish target would have been here. And this is exactly where we meet. how I did the target. Just 1 second. What's up, guys? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Guys, let me know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me now? If you guys can hear me, let me know. Let me know. Type on the comment, guys. Thank you for 200 subscribers. I am a new YouTuber, by the way. Um, Never thought I would get 210 subscribers within, the first month. A lot of people told me it would take about 2 to 3 months to reach that. So thank you guys. We're growing pretty fast. The community, the crypto community is growing pretty fast. So thank you for that. And if you guys have any questions, write in the comments below. Gamer bystander, can you hear me? This was our target, guys. As you guys can see, this was our target. We met our target perfectly. So guys, this is how you would trade breakout essentially. Like, you would have either one to the upside, which would be right here, ascending triangles. And you would have one to the to the bottom, which would be it would still be an ascending triangle, but just a breakout to the downside. Our target would be this. It would be the entrance, the beginning of the ascending triangle. As you guys can see, we broke to the bottom. Of course, we broke to the downside. We got rejected by the support. We have some nice support right here. So yeah, guys, as I mentioned, we broke out right here. This was this was the start of the ascending triangle. Our target, usually ascending triangles are usually bullish, especially in a bull market, but this is the second time, guys. This is the second time that we break down from an ascending triangle. We reached our target. So if you guys took a short right here, you brought it down. That was a short at the breakout essentially. That's a 3.37%. That's a 3.37% gain. If you guys use, let's say, 3x, that's over 10% gain. So you guys made over 10% in this. You guys made over 10% in this trade. Let's have a look at some altcoins. We got ADA right here. This is ADA ADA. We had a nice head and shoulder right here. This was our head and shoulder, guys. Oh yeah, I don't doubt that. I really do believe that Bitcoin is gonna I think it's gonna reach even 70, but we might see some downwards action on we might see some more downwards action on Bitcoin, a little bit, just a tiny bit. Here, I'll pull up the EMAs real quick. Let me pull out the EMA. These are the EMA ribbon. We did fall below on the 4-hour chart, and we did close also. So we could see some downwards action, just a slightly bit. This is sort of a double bottom, not really. I wouldn't call this a double bottom, but on the daily, guys, we're still bullish. So there's nothing really to worry about. On the daily time frame, we are still bullish. This is the daily EMA. It's supporting us pretty well. Daily EMA supporting us nicely, guys, as you guys can see right here. Until we break this, guys, and we close below this, I don't think we're bearish. I don't think we're bearish until we break the 55 exponential moving average. Until we break that, guys, it's in my opinion, we're still in a bull market. Even if we fall down all the way to 48, 50,000, I think we're still in a bull market, guys. So If you guys have any questions below, want me to cover some, you guys want me to cover something, some charts, put it in the comments. So yeah, if you guys want me to cover something, let me know. I will cover something. Just throw out a coin. Throw out any coin and I will cover it for you guys. We keep dumping, guys. Dump ain't stopping. Whoa, look at this. Dump City. Dump City. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is not good at all. I'm letting you guys know right now. This is crazy. Dump City, bro. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Guys, I don't even know. This thing is I warned you guys. If we break that support level, which was this. This was the support, the crucial support line, guys, that I've been talking about. And I said that if we break that, then it would not be good. And as you guys can see right here, we are breaking it. We broke out of it, guys, out of one of the most important levels. Are you in a short, Aaron? Are you in a short? It looks like you're happy. It looks like you're happy. You're making money. Look at that. Almost 4%. If you use 2x, you're up 8% at least. I'm assuming you're in a short, Aaron. Okay, not bad. Alright, it's going to be very, very difficult to see Bitcoin climb above that level now. It won't be easy. We've been in this support since February. If I take out the daily, we've been in another one since January, guys. And in my opinion, it's gonna be extremely difficult to see Bitcoin climb above that. Let's go to the daily time frame real quick. So this is a daily time frame, guys. Daily time frame. We are getting there. I'm hoping to see a bounce from here. A bounce. If I would take this trade, I'd probably set a tight stop loss, because if we break this level, guys, we could really sweep down like that. I'm not even kidding. You guys think I'm exaggerating? I'm not. We could see some slippage. We could see some longs getting liquidated. And, you know, guys, you know what happens when longs get liquidated. It drives the price, you know, farther down, further down. It's a whole other story. So this is the yeah. So this is crucial support right here. We hit it a few times. Crucial, guys. I'm not even kidding. This can happen anytime now, unless we see a bounce. Unless we see a bounce to the upside. We've been here since January, guys. Almost 3 months. No, 3 months exactly. Navid, what's up, man? Of course, this channel is not financial advice. This is only for educational purpose only. Should you buy Bitcoin? Man, it depends if you're it really depends if you're using leverage or not. You know, if you're gonna start playing with high leverage, I really don't recommend buying. I really don't recommend it until I see a clear breakout. Because if we break out of here and you're using leverage, like that's bad news. You know. So I wouldn't recommend doing it if you are in the long term, you know, in the 5 year, 6 year, you know, you're looking at a long term range, then you could definitely buy it. It's not a problem. But if you're trying to trade this, I wouldn't recommend buying it. No, would not recommend buying it if you're trading on the short term. What kind of charts you guys want to have a look at? Let me know. Drop it in the chat below. But but yeah, guys, definitely not. If you're trying to trade this with high leverage, I would not do it. Let's go back to the 4 hour. It looks like we made a, yeah, so we made a pop, we popped back up a little bit. All right, let's see what the 1 hour tells us. So this was the 1 hour, guys, as I mentioned earlier. This was the 1 hour time frame. This was the ascending triangle that I mentioned. Right here, that was the ascending triangle. We were supposed to break to the upside. Ascending triangles usually break to the upside. My target was essentially 61,000, but it looks like we are having a hard time breaking that 58,000 region, 59, and closing above 61. So yeah, this was a target, as you guys can see. This was the bearish target, of course. Ascending triangles, they can either break upside or downside. We broke to the downside. We held at support exactly where we started. That, as you guys can see, that was the exact support, and this was the target. So if you guys took profit right here, congratulations. That's very good. Guys, never ever be greedy. I always tell everyone this: to not be greedy. Never go for the full target. If your target is right here, try to take profit perhaps somewhere around here. Don't try to go for the full target. STMX. What happened with STMX? Let's have a look at it. Let's see if it's here. STMX. Why? What happened? Explain to me what happened. Were you in profit? Were you using leverage? What happened exactly? This is STMX. Did you short STMX? Did you long? Gotta be careful, guys, with the high leverage. Yeah, I mean, so regarding leverage, using leverage with high with altcoins. By the way, they have STMX on Binance. I didn't know that on leverage. I didn't on futures. I didn't know that. I mean 0.8. That's the top. No. Wow, 15. And did you have any sort of collateral, or you just got liquidated? That's a 35% drop. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, usually dumps because a lot of people they like to go for Okay, I mean, yeah, man, it happens. You added some margin on 15x. Wow, and wow, so you're probably down like a good $400 now, no? I mean, listen, there is a slight support right here. We got some nice support right here. Well, it's not that nice, but um, between this range, yeah, between this range, it's. So yeah, between this range, I would say it might bottom out. I'm not sure. Everything really depends on Bitcoin. Of course, when Bitcoin drops, the whole market drops, as you guys know that. So yeah, I mean, it could go as low as 4 cents, 4.5 cents. Anything can happen, of course. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. This is Bitcoin. This is the ascending triangle for people just joining this live. So yeah, it would really depends on it would depend on Bitcoin. Like right now, as you guys can see, we most of it everything's turning red slowly. XRP was up 15%. It just shed it off 6% right now. Um, but because of Bitcoin, Bitcoin just keeps falling and it's not good. This is bad news for crypto right now. If Bitcoin drops another 2-3%, we would be in a pretty, I wouldn't say bear market, but we would be bearish very, very much on the short term, man. That's not yeah, it's not what we want to see. What else, guys? What else do you guys want to see? What else do you guys want to have a look at? This is XRP. I'm seeing a lot of XRP fans right here. XRP. Let's go to the daily real quick. Guys, we had a massive support on the daily time frame. Resistance, sorry. This was the resistance I mentioned in my video. Right here. And I feel like it can break. It's hard for it to break the 60 right here. We got rejected a few times right here on the 60 region for XRP right here. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens here. But yeah, Bitcoin, guys, is the king. We need to see a retracement by Bitcoin right now. We need to see some sort of retracement, or else it's not good, guys. It won't be so good for Bitcoin. So we actually flipped support right now into resistance. As you guys can see, this was a support right here, support, and we broke that. Now we're flipping all that into a resistance. So yeah, all this right here is you see this is a resistance that turned into a support. So yeah, it's pretty bad, guys. It's to what extent can Bitcoin go down? Let's have a look. Let's have a look on the 4-hour, and then I'm gonna start with the 4-hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the daily. So on the 4-hour, it could go down all the way here to 53,000. That's my opinion. It could go down to 53,000, but it seems like we are building some sort of no, actually no, this is not really a flag anymore. You guys can call this, we are building a symmetrical triangle, but The triangle that I was looking at, it was mostly like that. It was something like this, and we kind of broke. We also broke the longer time frame resistance, which was this. As you guys can see, we dropped down. So to what extent can it go down? I mean, the trend line is, you know what they say, guys. The trend is your friend, and we kind of broke the trend, right? So I believe 53, 54,000 is a between this level, guys. 54 and 53. I'm gonna be looking to buy Bitcoin around this area right here, somewhere around that, and yeah, gonna be looking for here, guys. These are my targets. These are my targets. Will it happen? Probably not. That doesn't mean I'm gonna short, guys. You never ever short in a bull market, ever. Let's check the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Something very important. Where are you? Guys, this is the Bitcoin dominance, as you guys can see right here. Let's pull out the 12-hour chart real quick. So yeah, right here's this is the Bitcoin dominance right here. We had a nice, it's holding pretty nicely right now. Okay, guys, for me to see an alt season, like one of the biggest alt season I've ever seen, I would like to see Bitcoin reach the dominance, reach 57. That's when I'm really gonna be stacking on altcoins, when we see the Bitcoin dominance, hit that region. Until then, I don't see why we should. I don't see. I don't see. I don't see an alt season happening anytime soon. If you guys have any questions, of course, more than welcome to ask. Let me know. If you guys want me to have a look at a coin, let me know. Let me know. Um, that's where I'm gonna be buying at. Yeah, I'm gonna be buying around 53,000. Listen, if it gets there, of course, I'm gonna be buying. Now, will it get there? No one. I'm not saying it will get there for sure. So don't try, shorting it. But it's very possible. Yeah. Look, we got nice support right here, and right here between this and that. Guys, I like trading cross support resistance. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but this would essentially be a cross support resistance right here. We got resistance that is being supported by that cross. So, this is support. Like, this is actually a resistance or support, that a resistance that turned into a support, and this is support right here. So, it's very, very important. Like, I would, around this region I would like to buy. If not, I would put a tight stop loss right here. My next level, if that doesn't happen, or if that does happen, it would probably be around this region right here, between 54 and 52. Let's have a look at CHZ. A lot of CHZ fans out there. Just a second, guys. I will be back. Just give me a second. Just a second, guys. Yeah, this is a CHG chart. I mentioned earlier that if this double bottomed, yeah, gamer bystander, are you a CHG holder? Yeah, I mentioned in my video, guys, if this double bottom doesn't hold, then we will see 48 again, and it looks like it's on its way down there, unfortunately. Nothing I can do, guys. Nothing I can do. We had this nice falling wedge. We had that nice falling wedge, and of course that was the breakout right here. And unfortunately, we came back down. But if you guys watch my video about 3 days ago on CHZ, it was a little bit more than 3 days ago. When I mentioned that this would be the breakout, I was right here when I uploaded the video. A few hours later, it went up. We had that little nice run a few hours after I uploaded the video. So let's say you guys did take my long, even though I never gave you guys financial advice. You guys are back at even right now. So it's not really that crazy, you know, it's not so crazy. Of course, if you guys Of course, if you guys took my trade, never ever financial advice though. I never get, it's only for educational purpose only, as you guys know. So yeah, we could see CAG come back up and do something, not like that. That's a little bit too exaggerating, but we could essentially see it, go up like that. You guys have anything you guys want me to have a look at? ADA, Cardano, Bitcoin dominance is down almost 1%, so it's pretty good. We like to see Bitcoin dominance go down for altcoins. For altcoins. Alright guys, looks like everyone dipped. Gonna stay here for another 10 more minutes unless more people come. Unless more people come. If you guys haven't watched my other video, I am doing a giveaway on that other video, guys, so please go have a look at my other video. Giveaway, I'm having a giveaway on my other video. The latest video, I'm having 2 people will receive about $100 if you guys give me a comment and subscribe. The reason why I'm doing this is because I did receive 200 subscribers yesterday. I know it might not be a lot, guys, but I've been in YouTube for about 3 weeks now, and everyone told me it takes about 3 to 6 months to reach 100 subs, and I did it in about 2 weeks, guys. So we're seeing pretty, some nice growth right now on my YouTube channel. Of course, it's also from you guys. The community is growing. We're growing together, so wow, ADA is dumping, guys. ADA is not, this is not good for ADA. I mentioned that we had support right here. Oh no. Guys, this is not good for ADA. Cardano. Cardano is in trouble. I think we see Cardano, guys, fall back down to $1. Right here. Wow, BRD is exploding. BRD, guys, look at this run. Look at this run by BRD. 416%. Burger Coin. Guys, Burger Coin is exploding. Wow, 90% against BNB. It's not bad. What else? Alice, my neighbor. Guys, Alice, my neighbor. Whoever got the top. Guys, this is an advice. Don't buy the peaks. Please. Please, guys. When a new coin gets listed on Binance, wait for the dip. Wait for it. Let's see what else we have. Juventus coin. Let's see. Wow, Reef has taken a hit. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am not even kidding. Can we see an inverse head and shoulder on Reef right now? I mean, a head and shoulder on Reef. Holy, this is so not good, guys. A head and shoulder on Reef. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, guys? You guys know? Okay, assuming this is the neckline for Reef, okay? Assuming. The target, guys, I am not even kidding. If this neckline breaks, and I am not exaggerating, guys, we could see Reef come all the way down here to 1 cent. That's all-time lows. This is assuming, guys, assuming Reef cracks the head and shoulder. That would be so bearish for Reef, guys. Hugo, what's up, man? What do you mean about the graphs? I've been learning this for quite some time now, but here, I could have explained it. We got a head and shoulder right here, I explained, but you weren't here. But I've been learning technical analysis from books. I knew my dad's friend was in Wall Street, and I learned from him as well. So I replied to you in the comments. It's just a lot of learning, a lot of sitting down, a lot of time playing with the, the volume profile. This is the volume profile, point of control, RSI. If you guys don't know what the RSI is, I'm not really a fan of this indicator. It tells you if the market's oversold, overbought. Hugo. Guys, we're breaking down on Reef. I'm telling you right now. We're going to crack down. We're cracking down on Reef, guys. There's no way Reef doesn't break. I'm looking to take a short on Reef right now. I'm not even kidding. I hate shorting, but look at that perfectly. This would be our target. That would be our target. Sorry. Guys, are you kidding me? Look at that. Previous support resistance. Get out of here. Flags, head and shoulders. Bro, head and shoulders? I mean, do you know what a head and shoulder is? This is a head and I mean, do you trade? You for sure trade if you know what a head and shoulder is. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. Right shoulder. Neckline. I'm honestly, I want to take a short on Reef so bad. This thing is going to come down. There's no way this thing is not coming down. Bitcoin's bearish. Short term. Reef, after the scandal they had a few days ago. Not good, Reef. This is the trend line. The trend is your friend. Actually, we broke the trend. That's actually funny. We actually broke the trend line right here. Yeah, we broke the trend line. Yeah, we definitely broke the trend line. Let's see, cross support resistance. Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course. Let's go on ADA. You bought when at 124? Well, what is it? What's your name? Swag? Listen, I don't know if you saw my past videos last week, but and Hugo, this is for you also. I did mention we were a head and shoulder in ADA. Now head and shoulders are it's usually a bearish pattern. This is after the Coinbase listing. I mentioned guys to be careful and to to essentially not take longs, not over leverage your position. But how would you calculate the target? You would essentially take this. You would essentially put a thing to the neckline. This would be the neckline. Drag the top of the head to the bottom of the neckline. Bring it down and put it right here at the breakout. Um, so the target would be $1 essentially, approximately. Now, if you are trading on leverage, it's a different story. I really can't tell you what to do. If you're trading on spot, you could hold because at the end of the day, you know spot it doesn't matter. So no, are you? First of all, don't be scared. Are you trading on leverage or what? I mentioned this head and shoulders since last week, guys. Since last week. Spot. Okay, so if you're in spot, you shouldn't worry. Just dollar cost average your position down. If you got some more cash, you could buy here, here, here. It's not financial advice, of course. I'm just telling you what I would do because spot of at the end of the day, you want in the long term. $5 is $5 reasonable for yeah, $5 of course it's reasonable. I don't like people who think, you know, 80 at Cardano can go to $30. I'm not a big fan of these predictions, but yeah, it's definitely possible. $5 is possible, but I think, you know, depending on Bitcoin right now dropping 3%, I think we might revisit we might revisit $1. And are you talking about I mean March? Like the end of March? Yeah, man, just hold up. Look, as you can see, it is breaking down a little bit. It's, you know, if you're not doing on leverage and using margin, there's really no reason why you need to sell. And end of March, listen, I don't believe that we're gonna come down right here all the way down today, right? It's probably gonna be something like this. This is guys, educational purpose only. We're probably gonna see something like that. Right? Realistically, like let's be honest. So you know, $1 by the end of March, and then we could see uh, a pop back to the upside, and then we could see maybe some consolidation, and then something like this. This is my prediction. Um, Now, of course, if Bitcoin drops, you know, like another 4% now, then yeah, ADA can drop another. You know, it could drop to $1 right now. It's not realistic, but you know anything's possible, guys. So guys, giveaway tomorrow. Go watch my last video after this live stream if you haven't. Yeah, I'll recover soon. Also, crypto in general, it's known to be March is known to be a bearish. It's known to be a bearish month for crypto and altcoins. So I believe it will recover. I just we're gonna have to wait for April, of course. March, it's known to be a let's take out the monthly candle. This is the monthly candle for ADA and Bitcoin. Yeah, yeah, man. Don't worry about it. It's if you're in the long term, bro. if you're in the long term, it doesn't really matter if ADA's at 50 cent now, or a dollar, or $2, or $3. It doesn't matter. As long as as long as you're holding for the next 2 3 years, the price shouldn't matter. And as long as you keep accumulating, that's what you want to do. You want to accumulate bitcoins. You want to keep accumulating altcoins. The top altcoins, of course. And this is what I would do. I would do that. Like during the bear market of Bitcoin, if Bitcoin, let's assume this is weekly candles, guys. You want to buy Bitcoin right here. Every dip you want to buy. Because what did we see after? What did Bitcoin do? It went sideways and then it shot up like 700%. So when it goes down, you want to keep accumulating. Can we see ADA? I doubt it. I think in my opinion we do see $1 first for ADA, and also Bitcoin. I'll tell you why Bitcoin won't pump. Of course, it's not financial advice, but the reason why I don't think Bitcoin won't pump is because we did break. Not only did we break this trend line, but we also broke the longer time frame trend line on the daily chart. So that's why I don't think that Bitcoin is we're gonna see a small pump on Bitcoin. Let me take that away. Sorry guys. Sorry, just a second. So and this trend line, it's like, we could see it. It's very possible to see a bounce right here, but I believe that we come back down to the 53,000 range, 54,000 range on Bitcoin. As you guys can see right here, this is the 4 hour. Here, let's take out the 1 hour, and I'm going to explain to you guys what happened right here. So we were in the ascending triangle. By the way, guys, the only reason why the market is burning now is it's only because of Bitcoin. You guys need to understand that Bitcoin is the king. He is the leader. He will lead the market. Look, everything is red. Like 80% of the coins are red, and that's only because of Bitcoin. So how did I trade this? I essentially took this to the neckline, to the trend line, and you have two targets. You have the upper target, which is right here, 61,000, and you have the lower target, and you want to take it out at the breakout. And as you can see, we broke out exactly. So if you took a trade right here, and you close right here, you're up about 4%. If you use 2x, you're up 8%. So when did you invest? Wait, so what do you mean? You went, wow, you see guys, Bitcoin's breaking down. So we're seeing ADA break down too. Everything's breaking down, but you should not panic. Do not panic sell. If you are holding long term, do not panic sell. It's stupid to panic sell. I've been, around, okay, yeah, you did mention you bought ADA around that region, but you said that you made some good profits in the past 6 months, and you were holding that, as if I see this properly. 1.24, you bought around 1.24 right here. So you bought essentially at the support level. I mean, yeah, that was, I don't know if you saw my past videos, but that level was the level that I told everyone not to get into, and to wait for a breakout. So whether the breakout was going to be up and we could see, some sort of rejection, or the breakout was going to be down. And the breakout is down. As you can see, ADA is breaking down. And that's only because Bitcoin is dumping right now. We are witnessing this live, guys, that Bitcoin is dumping. Look at this dump. And like I mentioned earlier, that this would be my target. This is my target. I said it right here around that we might see Bitcoin revisit the 53,000 level, and it's right now revisiting that level, and it's on its way there. If you guys are in a short, I'm not telling you guys to short, but if you guys are in a short, I would suggest taking profit around this level. It's not financial advice, of course, but guys, don't be greedy. Remember that. If you are trading with leverage, don't be greedy, because you will get hunt back, and it's going to be a disaster for you. So don't be greedy, guys. If you are trading with leverage, remember, don't be greedy. Take your profits, put your stop losses. Everything's going to be okay. If you're trading on spot, like I mentioned, and you're essentially in the long-term game, there's no reason why you should You know, there's really no reason why you should sell. You just want to keep accumulating your you know, your cryptos. Wow, Bitcoin is dumping. The whole market's turning red. XRP down about 8%. It was up 16, now it's at 7. Yeah, the market, yeah, Bitcoin is just free falling, guys. Yeah, hodl, man. Unless you're a trader, just hodl, bro. Bitcoin free falling. Yeah, you're chilling, man. Don't worry. If you're on spot, nothing to worry about. Look at that. If you got money, man, on the side, like if I had money, of course, on the side, I would just keep buying. I mean, I would set buy targets. I would buy here, here. I don't know if you know what grid trading is, but in grid trading, you keep buying, you know, so you average down your position. So instead of buying, you know, instead of your average being at 124, it's gonna be at like 115. So when it goes back up, you're gonna be even at 115, and you're gonna be in profit at 124. So that's a strategy I would do it. All right, it's okay to go all in. It's okay. Just next time, of course, never go all in a coin. It's you know, it's never good. If you got like, let's say 10 grand or $1,000, whatever it is, you don't want to put all your $1,000 into a coin. You want to essentially have an initial investment. So let's say it would be 500, and then you want to put like 100 on the way down. It would be like this, something like that, if that makes sense. 5 times. All right, good. Good to hear. Good. Guys, I'm doing a giveaway ADA tomorrow, by the way. Giveaway on ADA Cardano. So if you haven't seen my last video, watch it after this. .bnb. Oh, okay. That's why you made yours. Okay. That's what you're holding, you're saying. Okay. Yeah, so this Head and Shoulder is playing nicely, guys. A lot of us lost money. Yeah, so this was the Head and Shoulder I spoke about. I've been speaking about this Head and Shoulder, guys, for a while now. And yeah, this is our target. Very unfortunate it had to happen. Yeah, that's horrible. Guys, don't use over leverage. Make sure you put your stop losses, guys. Look at that. Boom. Exactly that green line that I mentioned earlier. This would be my first buy target. My first buy target. I put this green line, guys, like about 10 minutes ago, and it just hit it now. So this would be my first target for a trade. As you guys can see, we popped back up. Now, does that mean that it's going to go back up straight? No. That doesn't mean that. That just means that I had an order over here and it got executed. We could see something like this, and then my second target would be here. That's it. Yeah, the next, what do you mean the next pump after? Yeah, the next pump after the dump. Yeah, after this dump you're talking about? Yeah, it should be good. I'm hoping to see after 52K, if Bitcoin reaches there, I'm hoping to go to 70K. That's my target. I don't think Bitcoin drops below 52K. Boom, beautiful guys, beautiful. That's my first buy. It's beautiful, I have to admit. That's a beautiful first buy. This is not ADA, this is Bitcoin. Let's check ADA. ADA did recover 1% about. So yeah, you see, like I mentioned. Yeah, I mean, listen, if you're scalping, oh hell yeah. If Bitcoin goes to 70,000, then yeah, I definitely think that yeah, I'll have a look at CAG in a second. If Bitcoin goes to 70,000, I definitely think that ADA can pop to $2. Let's have a look at CHZ, guys. Okay, CHZ. So, if you saw my video earlier, or few moments ago, today I did mention that we were in a short-term double bottom right here. It was right here and right here. And that if we would break this double bottom right here, then we would essentially go to this level. Now, this level is a very, very important level for CHZ, guys. The whole market is very important right now. Let's have a look at the 4 hour, not the 1 hour. I don't like the 1 hour. So, so yeah, I mentioned that we might come back down to this level, the 48.5 region level. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened. We came back down. We're making a double bottom right now. And we could see maybe something like that. Now, this double bottom would only be confirmed, guys. It would only be confirmed if CAG breaks above this neckline. So if CAG breaks above this neckline, the double bottom would be confirmed and it would go up. Good night, bro. Amelia. Am I pronouncing that right? Anyways. So yeah, this is a double bottom on CHZ. This is a target I mentioned in my past videos. If you guys haven't seen them, I think I mentioned it today and yesterday that we might see a double bottom on CHZ. I told my friends. As you guys can see, it happened right here. Maybe we have a little bit downwards action. It could peak right here, come back up. But yeah, this is a double bottom we are witnessing right here. And I'm hoping for some, I would only take a trade to the upside if we break this this region right here, the neckline. I know a lot of you guys, you guys want to go all in, but this, this double bottom doesn't mean they're not 100% accurate. We could also fall down. Yeah, I'll keep uploading, man. If anything happens, I'll let you know. Good night, man. If you guys want to know anything else, comment below. Comment below, guys, if you guys want to know anything else. Yeah, I could have a look at Reef just a second. I'm gonna have a look at Reef. Okay, so this is Reef. This is what happens with what is happening with Reef right now at the moment. Reef, where are you? Okay, so this is Reef, guys. Wow, Reef. Okay, so I don't know, this green line I mentioned earlier on Reef, and I did say that we would come to this line, and honestly I don't even know why I didn't take this trade, but yeah, it's just harder to do trade on live stream, but yeah, we came exactly to my target and we popped back up, which is kind of crazy. If you guys go a little bit back in the video, like about 15 minutes earlier, guys, I said that when Reef was like right here, or even right here, I said that it would come back to this green line, and which is the 3 cent region, and it did. It's exactly what happened. So Yeah, Reef after this candle is gonna be very interesting to see how what happens to Reef after what happened. It's currently down 10.7%. Bitcoin's down 4.5%. We got a red market, guys. The whole market is bleeding. The whole market is bleeding. We got a bloody, bloody market. Bloody market, guys. RIS minus 12%. PunDX. All down, guys. It's all down. AVA. AVA. We could see AVA come down right here. Very possible. What else, guys? Link. Oh, Link is not. Link doesn't look so good. Well, Link is actually in a channel right now. And Link is in a channel. You know, up, down. Wow, this is good for traders, guys. If you're an active trader, look at that. You can make 15%. You can make 15% every pump and dump. Wow. Imagine you're playing this with leverage, guys. You're killing the market right now. Killing the market. If you guys have anything you guys want to have a look at specifically, you guys want me to have something, you guys want to, if you guys have any coins in particular you guys want me to have a look at, comment below. Comment below if you guys want me to have a look at a coin. This is the Head and Shoulders. You know what? I like this target for ADA. I know I mentioned the Head and Shoulder target would be right here, but I really like this target. It's not I don't know if we see more downwards action. So this is, no, the neckline was here. So yeah, I mean, I personally don't like going all the way in trades. I know, guys, when you have a target and a trade, please don't go all the way. Like, if your target is right here, take profit like right here. You know, if your target is like right here, this region, don't take profit all the way. Well, I mean, it depends. What are you trying to open the long on ADA? Bro, it depends on your leverage. It depends on, you know, if you're using spot, how much leverage you're using, what coin it is. You know, if you're going to be using Bitcoin with 20x leverage, fine. Like, Bitcoin on 20x, it's okay. Like, I don't know if Bitcoin drops another 6% tonight, but you could have taken my trade earlier on Bitcoin. It was right here. That was my trade. It popped back up, and that's about 1.5%. If you use 20x leverage, you are making 23% right now. So it depends what you're looking at. On ADA, I wouldn't really recommend using, like, you know, 20x. That's crazy. Look at that. That's 5%, bro. Like, that's 100% already. That's too volatile. So it depends what you're looking at. Are you looking in something? Are you looking at ADA? Are you talking about ADA? My target for ADA a few days ago, it was right here. That was my target. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look at... Okay, so let's have a look at it. 1 second. This is Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, dude, listen, okay, so these two are my targets right here. I have one target right here. If you're trading, first of all, with high leverage, I would not. Probably 3x, because realistically, this goes down another 3% and that's it, right? This is what I would do. So it could go down to, you know, 52K and then pop back up. I'm hoping 70K in the next 2 weeks for Bitcoin. Educational purpose only, guys. It's not financial advice. Of course. Of course, man. No problem. If you guys have any other coins, let me know. Drop a comment below. Put it in the chat and I'll have a look at it. I will have a look at it. StormX. Is that STMX, I believe, correct, Amelia? All right. Okay, not bad. I actually this is not a bad okay, so this is not a bad place to be at right now. This was a resistance that now turned into a support. We got rejected right here at the region. This is SFP, by the way. We got rejected right here. So that was a resistance. That was also a resistance that turned into a support. Now we are at the crucial level. So it's going to be interesting to see what it does right here for SFP. Bitcoin is dumping right now. So, you know, most of the market will dump. So, yeah, you see, as you can see right now, it is going down. But this is a 20-minute time frame. Let's go on the higher time frame. Yeah. So maybe right here, SFP between this range, we got a rejection right here, right here. If that doesn't hold, then we could see it. We could see it come back to $3 around. But yeah, I could see this increase, crazy growth for SFP. But we could see something like this. In my opinion, we could see it. Will it happen? Depends on the king. Bitcoin is the leader. Bitcoin is the king. He decides. You know, if Bitcoin bleeds, altcoins will bleed. CHG is bleeding. Reef is bleeding. We got Lid is bleeding. FIS. Look at that, guys. When I started this live stream, not everything was red, by the way. We had at least 70% of all these coins were red. Now 90% of the coins are red. And, you know, XRP, look at XRP. This is crazy. This is the pump of XRP. Wow, look, XRP had a massive pump, but because Bitcoin keeps dumping, everything else is dumping as well. STMX. Here, let's look at the futures chart. No, that's Ethereum. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is the futures chart. Wow, guys, that is insane. I don't even want to have a look at this chart. That's crazy. Let me go to regular STMX. Yeah, that's the problem. If you're yeah, panic selling will usually drive the price, you know, lower. Also liquidation. You have a lot of people getting liquidated right now. So liquidated, you know, drives the price lower and lower every time. Yeah. You know, when people get liquidated, it's going to essentially bring the price, you know, farther down. So it is what it is. That's why you don't play with high leverage, because then the market, the whales, they just eat your orders, guys. That's why I never ever play with high liquidity, with high leverage. Try with altcoins. Yeah, there's a lot of market manipulation. I completely agree with you, but it's also up to you to you know, to realize if the, you know, it's up to you to have risk management. You know, don't never ever use you know, high leverage. Yeah, this is, so that green line was my support target, guys. 1 second, so let me have a look at Bitcoin. So so right here, guys, as you guys can see, we do have that was my first buy region for Bitcoin. And this could be a dead cat bounce. It could be. I'm not saying it will be. It could be. The volume looks pretty weak, but the hourly candle just started. So that's that. And let's go back to STMX real quick. What did you say? To open a new long on STMX? Yeah, that's what whales will do essentially. Look, you see, I put this green line earlier. I don't know if you were here in my live channel, my live at the beginning, but that green line I put it like about 40 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. Sorry, and I believe you asked me that question around right here. I said that a good buy target would be between those lines. So we're gonna have to see if this is a fake out by the bulls or not. If it's a bear trap, bull trap, um, or not. So it's gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be interesting to see what's up, what happens. Yeah, cross is good also. Yeah, I'll have a look at Ada. Yeah, we could have a look at Ada real quick. And yeah, I mean, using cross margin and not isolated is probably the best idea. Um, yeah, it's cross margin. I like cross margin, but guys, don't use 15 or 20x on these small coins. So so yeah, this is the update on Ada, guys. Someone said something about Ada. This was the head and shoulder, the neckline. I told you guys that I would be looking for a short right here at the first green line, which was the 1.24 in my last video. It came back all the way down, and yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I said that I believe 3 videos ago. Even though I wasn't along on Ada, I still said it. I still mentioned it, and yeah, so we're gonna have to see where this goes. I still believe we have some more down action for ADA. I still believe so. We're gonna really need to see where this goes, and it's gonna be very interesting to see where this goes, guys. Bitcoin down 4.5%. We got link dumping. The Bitcoin dominance is going up. I don't like seeing the Bitcoin dominance go up. I mean, if you guys are huge altcoin fans, you guys don't want to see the Bitcoin dominance go up. It's you want to see it come down. My target to have the biggest alt season, guys, in my opinion, is to see Bitcoin dominance fall at the 57 level. That's that's what I would see. I would like to see the Bitcoin dominance fall 50 to 57 in order to have the biggest alt season ever. And yeah, guys, a lot of people got liquidated on ADA because it was heavily manipulated. There was a lot of hype. A lot of people knew this. A lot of people knew that everyone on Twitter, everyone on YouTube was like, "Oh, ADA Coinbase, ADA Coinbase," and this huge candle right here, guys. You had people who were highly leveraged, and it just dipped 20%. So if you use 5x leverage, you're done. You're liquidated. That's it. So yeah, moon boys, of course. I always say people, moon boys are not realistic. They're always like ADA to the moon, $2 when when it goes to Binance, this, that. Why is Bitcoin dumping? So I said it in my at the beginning of the video. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin in the ascending triangle. So Bitcoin was in an ascending triangle, as you guys can see, and ascending triangles usually dip 2 ways, right? Right? They will dip twice, guys. So as you can see, it will dip right here. The target is either to the upside it would be that, or to the downside it would be 55,000, I believe. To the upside 61,000. We dip to the downside. We did close above right here, but we dipped more down. We got rejected a little bit, came back up. That was a nice little wick, and we came back down, as you guys can see. So so yeah, that was essentially our target. If you guys took profit here, congratulations. Never be greedy and never go for the full target. So don't think you missed out on something. So it's gonna be it's crazy, very interesting. We might see something like this, by the way, guys. In my opinion, we might see something like this go up and then come back down. Let's have a look at the volume profile real quick. If you guys have any coins you guys want me to have a look at, put it down below. So this was also a crucial point of control right here. For those who don't know volume profile, this is the volume profile, guys. and we did break down the point of control, as you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at BNB in a second. So this right here was the point of control, the red line, and we completely broke down that line. And yeah, I mean that's that was a crucial support resistance line. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at BNB, and I'm gonna have a look at BNB right now. Just a second. Okay, so BNB you said. Okay, let's have a look at BNB. All right, BNB. Okay, I don't like looking at futures contract, but we'll have a look at it anyways. I don't like looking at futures contract. Okay, so wow, BNB. Whoa, what's going on over here? Okay, yeah, so BNB, I mean, from what I'm seeing on the 1 hour, it is consolidating a little bit. Yeah, it's consolidating. Whoa, this can be a massive, wow, that can be a massive symmetrical triangle, guys. Holy, whoa, that's crazy. 1 second, guys. Sorry, let me just zoom in. This is a daily chart. Guys, BNB, in my opinion, can explode anytime soon. Whoa. That is insane. Look at that. Wow, we are in a massive bull flag. Holy moly. Wow, we could have a target for BNB at 562, and it's on the verge of breaking out. On the verge of breaking out. BNB is about to explode. We are at the end. I didn't even know this, guys. You guys are like, not teaching me something new, but you guys are like potentially giving me more trade. Listen, I don't know if going 60x on BNB is good, but guys, this can also go to the downside depending on Bitcoin, of course, right? So depending on Bitcoin and what it does, it's going to be very interesting to see. But we are at the end of the symmetrical triangle, so it's going to be, it's getting tighter and tighter. Volume is decreasing, as you guys can see. I don't know why I'm getting this sort of volume. I don't like this volume. 1 second, let me take out the real volume. 1 second. So yeah, we are seeing a decreasing in volume, guys. And when we see a decrease in volume, big moves are coming. We're about to see massive moves from BNB. It could break down to the downside. I would probably put a stop loss around right here, in my opinion. Someone mentioned they were 60x. So guys, please do things accordingly. Don't go 60x on BNB. There was another coin. Someone mentioned LTC, Litecoin. Yeah, let's have a look at Litecoin. We could definitely have a look at Litecoin. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so Litecoin. Okay, let's have a look at Litecoin real quick. Okay, so this is Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin, it's not doing nothing special. We are right here sitting at support actually. We had this previous resistance that turned into support, which is right now. A lot of people want Litecoin to, explode to the damn moon right now. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm not a big fan of Litecoin, guys. I really don't like Litecoin. But it's very, very possible that it pops. I don't trade Litecoin. I don't hold Litecoin. But it's going to be interesting to see what it does. We are in the trend right now, I believe. Let's have a look. Yeah, the trend is your friend, guys. Look at that. Litecoin is still in the trend. Never trade against the trend. Don't short the trend. The trend is your friend. So yeah, this is it. Let's see, guys, if you guys have any other good trades. If you guys have any other, how long until ADA reaches $1? That's gonna be very interesting to see. I don't know how long ADA. It really depends on Bitcoin. Wow, ADA made a crazy recovery. Whoa. Look at this recovery, guys. I put this green line. That was my target. The green line and the red line, in between those two were my target, and it popped back up. So that's actually pretty interesting. B Pro? Is that a coin? B Pro? What is that? B Pro Network? What do you mean alt gems? You want me to have just a look at any other alts that you guys like? What do you mean alt gems? Oh yeah, I believe yeah, that's what they do, guys. The whales, essentially the manipulators, the people with a lot of money, what they're gonna do is they're essentially gonna do that. They manipulate the market. They they see people's stop losses, the institutions and the exchanges, and they just dump it. They see a lot of people are long, and they just dump it on everyone, and everyone gets liquidated, and they buy it cheaper from you guys. This is why you don't use high leverage. You don't go long with 30x, 60x. I don't recommend that, and that's it. But yeah, it's gonna. But ADA guys, it actually made a nice recovery. This was my target right here. The green line was my target, and it popped back up, and I kind of like that. I like it. I like it. I support that. I'm a fan of that. So this was my target. If you guys took a long right here, which was the support, that's pretty amazing. If not, it's okay. There's other chances. There's other opportunities in the market. 1 second. Are you on? Yeah, just a second, Sanjay. Just a second. 1 second. B Pro, it's sitting around support right now. We got hit 1, 2, 3. We got hit even more. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We got hit 4 times on Sanjay. So not Sanjay. Sorry, on B Pro. And yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, I'm hoping to see a nice move to the upside. I'm hoping to see a nice move to the upside. I wouldn't say we are in a no. Let me check the 4-hour. 1 second. Okay, yeah. So listen, this I would probably buy here, but I wouldn't long. If you guys are using leverage, I wouldn't recommend doing that. I don't like doing that, especially on coins I don't know, because it is very very manipulative. And ADA. Okay, Sanjay. Before we get back to ADA, before I answer your question, are you doing leverage? Are you spot? What is it? What's your situation? Because if you are on spot, yeah, if you are on spot, then it's okay, and you shouldn't really worry if you're on spot. Like, it's fine. I think you'll be fine. I think everything, like, unless you're on leverage, then it's a whole different story. But if you're on spot, it doesn't matter if ADA is at $3 or whatever it is, $3.50. It doesn't matter. You're on spot. You're in it for the long haul. You're in it for the long term situation. So it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But guys, look at right here. This was the support of SFP. For you SFP fans out there, that was the support. What else? What else we got? Is EOS back under? No, EOS is not back under $4. Let's have a look at EOS. Yeah, EOS. Okay, it's making good moves. Healthy growth on EOS. Healthy growth on EOS, guys. Let me take this real quick. 1 second. Yeah, I would say we're in a channel on EOS. My bad. Yeah, we're in a channel. So that would be essentially the channel for EOS. We saw a little nice up and downs. We're still on the trend for EOS. Let's see. Yeah, we're still on the trend. EOS is still on the trend. SFP is undervalued. Yeah, probably. I'll trade SNP. I don't like holding it so much, but I'll trade it definitely. Yeah, it's okay, man. Listen, Sanjay, it's fine. Don't worry about it. You're fine, bro. Don't worry if you're in it on the long haul. It doesn't really matter. Just keep accumulating. It's obviously not financial advice, but what I would do is, I would keep accumulating my ADA Cardano. Keep buying. I wouldn't sell, especially if it's on spot. If you're playing on futures and with leverage, and it's a whole different story. No. Don't revenge trading is the worst. Do not revenge trading, guys. Don't play with your emotions. Don't trade with your emotions. Never use emotions while trading. It's yeah. Just stay away for now. Just stay away for now, and don't revenge trade. So we did meet our support, guys, that I mentioned right here. The 54 support level. We met it pretty nicely. Yeah. So that's that. We're going to see what happens. I'm hoping to see a nice rejection from here. Let's take out the EMA ribbons. Yeah, so the EMA ribbons, they are coming down. As you guys can see, we are coming down on the ribbons right here. You know, if we see something like this, I wouldn't like it. Yeah, that's not so good. Let's have a look at the moving average. The 200 moving average. Let's have a look at the 200 moving average real quick. 1 second. Moving average. Let's change out to 200. 200. Guys, by the way, this is my first time doing a live stream, so you guys need to tell me how I'm doing, because I have never lived. I am brand new to YouTube. 200 subscribers within the first 200 sorry, not 200 months, within the first 30 days, so that's pretty good. So thank you guys for 212 subscribers. I appreciate it. Let's keep growing this crypto community, guys. And that's it. Thank you everyone. Please just comment below, tell me how I'm doing. I would love to, if you guys want more live streams, let me know. I'll definitely do it more. Yeah, I'll have a look, JD. I'll have a look at ADA real quick, just a second. So yeah, I mean, I would like to see Bitcoin retest this level, the 200 moving average. That wouldn't be bad, guys, by the way. That would be pretty healthy. A nice retrace like that is pretty good. I would like to see, look at this, guys. We saw it hit it right here. We hit it right here, and right here. So, that's pretty good. I like it. I'm a fan of this, of us hitting the 200 moving average. So, let's see what else. What else? ADA. JD, you wanted to have a look at ADA? Are you still here? I can tell you about ADA, even though I went to this chart 1,000 times. So this is ADA. I wouldn't really look at the 200 moving average on ADA. It's not so important since it's not Bitcoin. These, EMAs and moving average, they work best on Bitcoin in my opinion, because Bitcoin is the leader. So it doesn't really matter what alts do on the technical indicators. Yeah, so ADA, nice retrace right now, guys. Very, very cool retracement. I like it. I like this retracement. I'm a fan. I had in my past videos, I did have a target between this and that. That was my target. So so yeah, guys, I like it. I'm a fan of that. I like this move by ADA. I don't think we see more downwards action from ADA in my opinion. Just a second, guys. JD, I don't know if you're still here, but that's the ADA TA. Let's see, Ethereum. VeChain. VeChain. Let's have a look at VeChain, guys. A lot of people are texting me right now because they're, guys, this is the reason why I started a YouTube channel, by the way, because so many people were coming to me, and they were just like, what do I do? What's happening? What can I do? Am I buying? Am I selling? So I decided to do updates every day, and now I just sent all my friends and family to, I just sent all my friends and family to the YouTube channel. That's essentially why I started YouTube. So, what do you think about VeChain? This is VeChain. I love VeChain. It's a great project. They just signed a contract, I believe. Not a contract, but they are now with, I believe, on Travala. Travala now accepts VeChain. Guys, if you guys don't know what Travala is, I made a video about AVA Travala. It's going to be the future of, paying with Bitcoins. You can now pay... you can now essentially pay accommodation, flights with Bitcoin. It's the future. It's very interesting. So I definitely, if you guys haven't seen my video, I definitely recommend you guys have a look on Travala. They just signed a contract with Expedia. They're partnering, so it's pretty bullish. I'm bullish on Travala. I love it. They actually have a functioning and working project. So yeah, guys, Expedia, Travelodge, you could literally buy JetBlue and American Airline Delta with literally bitcoins now. It's crazy. So yeah, VeChain is holding at support right now, and pretty bullish. I like it. I like this rejection. We got nice support right here. Resistance that turns support right here and right here. Of course, the trend is your friend, guys. Like always, the trend is your friend. So don't try shorting anything. Of course, long term, everything. Wow, look at this growth by VeChain. Wow, this is a nice healthy pullback, by the way. I like this pullback by VeChain. Let's look at the lower time frame. Yeah, lower time frame, it's sitting pretty nicely. Yeah, people shouldn't panic, guys. Really, guys, don't panic. Panic will be the end of you. It's not good to panic. You know, I was here, guys, since I'm in the crypto space since 2016. I used to panic sell all the time, back in the days when crypto had the first not the first bear market, but that huge that huge peak at 20K, then came back down. I blew my account like once, twice. I blew my account twice with all my friends. We blew our accounts together. So yeah, that's that. What else, guys? Guys, you guys tell me how long you guys been in this in the crypto for? 5 years, 6 years, 7 years? Are you guys new? What's you guys' situation? I'm interested to know everyone's situation on you guys' I want to get to know my subscribers, my fans. So you guys comment below, tell me what you guys want to have a look at, and tell me how long you guys been in the market for. Alright, new, okay. Alright, it's okay to be new, guys. I mean, listen, what I can tell you is to never, if you're trading on spot and you're not trading with leverage, never, ever, ever, panic sell. Don't go crazy. Everything's going to be fine. If you're in it for the long run, guys, I believe that crypto's the future. Bitcoin's the future. We could now pay stuff with, Bitcoin and crypto. So, it is the future, guys. So don't sell. Don't panic. Everything's going to be okay. HODL, hold on dear life. Everything's going to be fine. UMX, and let's see. I got 30 BTC. I sell all. It's over. Okay, I mean, if you want to create some FUD, man, you can. You could sell all your Bitcoins. I'll take them. Other people will take them. I believe we're still in the bull market. Here, let me explain to you guys, or explain to you before I check UMX. Let me explain to you why this is not even close to be over. These EMA ribbons have been holding off so well, and I've been explaining them in all my videos. These ribbons have been so good to us, and every time we've been hitting these ribbons, we've had a rebound. Every time since November, guys, we had a rebound right here, right here, right here, right here. Then right here, we got a bunch of rebounds, guys. You guys really think we won't see another rebound? Are you guys crazy? Well, not you guys, but whoever said that the bull market's over. Okay, so UMX, yeah, I'll have a look at ADA in just a second. Let's have a look at UMX. UMX, is that a new coin? What is that? UMX. Yeah, I know Market Cipher. That's from Crypto Face, no? What is UMX? Whoa, UMX is popping, but I don't, it's trading against Ether. I don't like to look at these coins, guys. I'll be honest with you. But yeah, ADA, I mean, here, I'll explain to you for ADA real quick. So a couple days ago, guys, like I mentioned for the 5th time tonight, that we saw that head and shoulder on ADA right here. This was the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This was the neckline. I said that if we break below the neckline, we would see action to that green target, and we did just meet it right now. My target was between the green and the red, which was the 98 cents and $1, 1.6. That was my target. We did meet them, and it came exactly to my target, and now we're popping back. So we're just gonna see what happens. Just gonna see what happens with ADA in the near future, of course. Any more coins, guys? Any more coins? Harmony, TRX. Yeah, I'll have a look at Harmony and TRX. Okay, yeah. One. Let's have one. I believe I have it right here. Okay, so TRX, I got one right here. Guys, one had crazy, crazy growth. Crazy growth. This was one. You know what's funny? I knew about this coin. I knew about this coin since I don't even know when, guys, since the last bull run, and that thing just flew to the moon. Would I buy one now? 3,000%? Probably not. It doesn't attract me. 3,000%. Also Theta, guys. Theta is just, exploding. But would I buy this? I'm not a fan of that. I believe that we could see one come down all the way here to this region, to the previous resistance, which was support. Which is now going to be acting as support. I really believe we can see that. But yeah, I'm not sure I'm a fan of it. I'm not sure I'm a fan of one. TRX. TRX. Okay, TRX. This TRX, we are seeing a pattern. Is this an M pattern? Yeah, guys, this is an M pattern on TRX. This is an M pattern. It's going to be interesting to see what it does. If it breaks the neckline on TRX, I believe we have some more downside. I believe right here. It could reach right here. So, but guys, you guys need to understand that a lot of these coins, they rely on Bitcoin as well. So, okay, so let's have a look at Doge. Guys, I hate Doge. Doge is probably one of my... it's my worst coin ever. I'm not a big fan of Doge. But let's have a look at it. So, wow, Doge, guys, Doge, it just gets pumped by Elon Musk all the time. It's every time Elon Musk tweets about Doge, it gets pumped and everyone FOMOs into it. People just lose money in the end. And Doge, like, yeah, to the moon. You think it could reach $1? I mean, listen, I'm not saying anything. We are holding support nicely right here, but I will not be investing into Doge. I'm not a fan of Doge, but it's gonna be just interesting to see what happens. What else? You guys say Theta. Let's see if I have it right here. Theta exploded also, guys. It reached $10 today, I believe. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at Theta just a second. Okay, so this is a Theta, guys. As you guys can see, it exploded. Absolutely demolished. It demolished the, everything, guys. Look at that. Boom. I think it went even higher than that. Look at that. Guys, we were all the way here for Theta. No, that's not 3,000. Sorry, guys. 1,390%. Are you guys kidding me right now? That's crazy. That's insane. What else we got? Reef. Do you think ADA might potentially outperform Bitcoin this season, percentage wise? If there's an alt season, yes, and I'll get that to just a second. If there's an alt season, I'm gonna explain to you guys how the alt season, in my opinion, what the requirements for an alt season are. Okay, so Reef, I did mention Reef. I had a look at it earlier, and after the scandal, this is the green line I posted earlier, guys. That was my target. That was my target for Reef. We were in a trend line right here. This was the trend line for Reef right here, and I said that if we were break it, we would meet the previous resistance that turned into support, which would be right here. We also broke this one. Guys, until I know what's going on, I wouldn't invest. I'm not a fan of Reef until I was heavily invested in Reef, but then there was a lot of FUD and a lot of a huge mess a lot of people started panicking. So yeah, that's that. One, we had, okay, so we looked over at TRX. One, Reef. Reef has many events coming by the end of March. According to CoinMarketCap, it's not moving. Cody had also blown up. When do you think? I have no idea. I don't know much about Cody, guys, and the whole thing that's going on right now with Reef and Cody. All right, guys, if you guys got any more coins, drop it down below in the comment. I will cover them. This is Bitcoin. We're still down 4.5%. As you guys can see, Bitcoin's down 4.5%. Can Doge reach a? Yeah, Doge cannot reach $1. In my opinion, it can reach $1. Are you guys crazy? Do you know what a dollar is? Let's have a look, guys. If you go on CoinMarketCap and have a look at Doge, the market cap would, I believe, be 170 million or billion dollars, which is absolutely nuts. So I don't see Doge hitting $1. No, that's like almost impossible. Almost impossible. All right, guys. If you guys are new to this, drop down whatever you guys want me to have a look at. GRS. GRS. Let's have a look at GRS. GRS Bitcoin. Okay, they don't. That is not being traded. That is not being traded. Okay, that's good. That's not being traded on the. Yeah, I mean, this is. It's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. I believe we have some more downwards action to the 80, 81 region. I believe it could drop down to the 81 region. We have support right here, right here, right here, right here. Sorry, right here. So yeah, just a tiny little bit more. It could drop to 81 cent, and then after that we'll see what's gonna happen. Just a second, guys. Audio. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at audio right now. Are these new coins? I've never looked at. I don't know any of these. They're not in my in my watch list on the right side, as you guys can see right here. Audio. So we do have a double top. The neckline would be right here. If we break this, that would be bullish. I mean bearish, sorry. If we break below that, if we close below that, that's bearish. I don't know when we're going to get there. We're probably not going to get there anytime soon. If Bitcoin continues to bleed, then it's going to be a problem. Then it's going to be a problem if Bitcoin continues to bleed. If Bitcoin, if it retreats a little bit, then we could see audio pop back up. Because like I said, guys, once again, Bitcoin is the king. He is the leader of the market. And he decides where most of the things or the altcoin goes. CTSI. Sorry about that. CTSI. All right, CTSI, it's holding strong at support right now. Right here, this would be support. Yeah, we met support right here. This was a resistance that turned into support. Resistance that turned into support. If we get rejected right here, that would be good. Our next crucial support would probably be right here, because we do have resistance that was support right here, right here, and right here. So so that would be that for CTSI. Let me remove the drawings. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin's king. We don't want to see Bitcoin fall below that. That would be bad news bear for us. Bad news bear. Dex, yeah. DEXE. DEXE. GRT. Wow, I haven't looked at GRT in such a long time. Let me have a DEXE for a second. Seems like we're in a downwards channel. Looks like we just built a channel right here. No, actually, no, we're not. Maybe we are in a potential bull flag. Maybe. We could hit it one more time, then go up. Yeah, I would say this is a bull flag for DXE. What do they do? Can you guys tell me what they do? If they have a working project, if it's legit. A lot of these coins, I don't know. You know, I'm not a big fan of it. It did also do a double bottom, so I guess you could say this was a double bottom, like on the shorter time frame. But that would be it. GRT somewhere around here. Here's GRT down 8%. GRT is holding support nicely. We got rejected right here. I would say the supports were, you know, the real support is right here. 1, 2. We could build another one right here. Let's have a look at the daily time frame on GRT real quick. You know what? GRT is building also a nice bull flag. I like the bull flag on GRT. It's nice. Did we break that? Yeah, it's approximately like this. I like this bull flag on GRT. We could see. I like GRT, by the way. It's a coin with a lot of potential. I really believe we could reach $4 in the next altcoin season, even 5, or not altcoin month, not season. Sorry. Okay, guys. So something I wanted to mention, something I mentioned earlier is the Bitcoin dominance. How can we see an altcoin season? How? Okay, so in order for us to see an altcoin season, we need to see, in my opinion, in my honest opinion, we need to see Bitcoin fall to this region. We need to see Bitcoin fall below 60, in my opinion. If Bitcoin falls below 60, we are in an alt season. We could see an alt season, and an alt season will happen. If Bitcoin doesn't fall below 60, then it's just going to be a regular, you know, it's going to be regular like it's always been. So another crazy thing, guys, is right here. This whole thing right here was the alt season in 2017. Look at that. We saw Bitcoin drop to 38.85. That's insane. That's crazy. We literally saw Bitcoin drop all the way down there. Now, can we see that happen again? Probably not. We could really potentially see Bitcoin drop to 57. I would like to see that. You know, I would like to see the Bitcoin dominance drop to 57. It would be good for not only altcoins, but it wouldn't necessarily mean that Bitcoin's dropping, but it would be very good for, you know, for alts. Right here, this was a DeFi bubble, I believe. This was a DeFi bubble when Chainlink started to explode, Wi-Fi, anything. This is the NFT. No, this is not even the NFT. This is the small alt season that everyone thought it was. People thought that this was an alt season when everything started to explode. But guys, if you're comparing this to this is not even close to an alt season right here. Whatever we had right here is not even close to an alt season. This was like an altcoin month right now. So yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. I would like to see. Sorry guys, just a second. I would like to see you know, Bitcoin drop, the Bitcoin dominance drop a little bit. Yeah, that's it. So this is that. In alt season, which coin has more chances? Okay, so in an alt season, guys, it's not which coin has the most chances. It's altcoins. All the coins have, you know, the most chances. So it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. All these altcoins right here are gonna be popping. They're gonna be exploding. In my opinion, any altcoin is gonna be exploding in the alt season. But which one would be the best? I'm assuming the coins that haven't exploded yet. I like FIS. I really like this coin. It's a low market cap coin. It has a lot of room for growth. Um, you know, it could. I think it's gonna explode in the near alt season, in my opinion. I really think it will. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen there. Ethereum. Wow, Ethereum is at 1680. Elia, what's up? Guys, Ethereum is at 1680. It took a nice little dump. Wow, Ethereum just crashed. It just blew off the support. Just blew off the support. But yeah, guys, just keep holding. If you are on spot, hold the line. Don't sell. Hold it for us. Hold it, guys. Hold the line. Don't overuse leverage. Don't be like, people who use a 13x and 85,000x. Don't be the average Joe. Um, Guys, for altcoins, I don't recommend going more than 3x. I say this to everyone. Unless you are an experienced trader, don't go more than 3x because it fluctuates a lot. You have to watch the market. You have to, you have to see price action. So yeah, guys, don't do more than 3x. Wow, this is so not good for Ethereum. Let's check the EMA ribbons on Ethereum real quick. This is a 6 hour. They're pointing to the downside. This is not good at all. I'm not a fan of this on Ethereum. I think we see Ethereum come back to 1580. Wow, yeah. This is Ethereum right now. Yeah, so 1580. I think it could go to 1600 because actually 1600 is a psychological level. Yeah, it is a psychological level, the 1600. Let's have a look at the moving average at 200, and then after that we're gonna have a look at the stochastic RSI. Wow, it blew past the 200 moving average, guys. That is Ethereum. I don't like Ethereum. I feel like Polkadot and Cardano have a higher chance of taking over Ethereum. Ethereum, the fees are just so high and it's just so slow now. And the gas is just extremely crazy. So I like trading Ethereum, but for long term, I'm not a big fan of it. So yeah, that would be that. Let's have a look at the stochastic RSI. Yeah, so it is dead bottom right now on the stochastic RSI 80 Ethereum. It's dead bottom. We could see maybe a nice swing to the upside. Let's have a look at the 1 hour real quick. The 1 hour is curving a little bit up. I would like to see a crossover over the over that. I would like to see a nice little crossover to the upside. So we're gonna see if that can happen. By the way, I think this candle right here is so fake. I don't know. It looks so fake to me. Let's have a look at the volume. Oh, the volume is just so weak. I mean, look at that, guys. This is last hour and this is, this hour. We're 12 minutes away and the volume is just so weak. Oh, I'm not a fan of this. I'm not going to be looking to touch this coin anytime soon. Weak volume on Ethereum. Weak everything. I think we see more downside on Ethereum in my opinion. Of course, Bitcoin is retreating a little bit, but the volume is pretty weak. I know you guys want to see something like, when I say dump, it's not going to go like this, guys. It's probably going to do something like this, to be honest. Let's be realistic here. Let's be realistic. So, this is the 1 hour time frame. We got the 4 hour over here. Yeah, so this is the crucial moment and level. We're going to have to see where I'm obviously going to make a daily update for tomorrow on Bitcoin, but it's going to be very interesting to see how Bitcoin holds overnight or for you guys over day. It's going to be exciting. Guys, don't panic sell. Whatever you guys do, do not panic sell. Do not panic sell. Would you do a basic TA guide? What do you mean, like a live stream or video? Some basic technical stuff and what you can do, look out for. I could definitely make a video, yeah. I mean, it depends. Are you trying to trade? Are you trying to if you're an investor, there's not really a reason why you should do a technical analysis, in my opinion. If you are a trader, which, oh yeah, you did mention you were on STMX. If you are a trader, yeah, I mean the main signs I would look out for is the main sign I would look out for is the, how do you call that? It's support and resistance. Um, you could use moving averages. You could use what else can you use? You could use Fibonacci retracement. Here, let's have a look at an example of a fib retracement. So this is the fib retracement, guys. I'm not gonna get a whole detail on the history of how it was or what it was, but as you can see right here, we were slightly supported by the 6.18 Fibonacci retracement. That's how I would trade it, and I'm gonna get to the falling wedge in just a second. But the 6.18 right here, it is the golden rule for the Fibonacci retracement. So have a look at that when you are doing retracement on the fib. Make sure you look out for the 6.18. It usually bounces off that, and as we can see right here, we got a nice little bounce off it. Another thing is the falling wedge. Is the falling wedge that didn't succeed. Of course, because of Bitcoin, it didn't succeed. So this is a CHZ chart, of course. If you guys are interested in CHZ, the falling wedge was actually something like this. And I did mention that if we break out of the falling wedge, we would see some nice upward momentum, and this is exactly what we saw. Now, usually the falling wedge, the target would be the top of the falling wedge. I mean the rising, at the top of the all-time highs, essentially. And this is exactly what we saw. So I told a few people to take this trade, and with leverage, if 40% times 2, you're up 80%. So it's pretty darn good in my opinion. If you took profit, I probably would have taken profit right here at 30%, even though it went up. I really thought this was gonna go to $1, guys. I really did think it was gonna go to $1, but with Bitcoin circumstances, that didn't happen, unfortunately. So yeah, that's that. We are seeing right now a double bottom on CHZ. So what is a double bottom? I can explain to you. This is really basic TA. Double bottom is when you see a very high upward momentum, and then it goes down, not a crash, but essentially like a pullback, a big pullback, and then it bounces back up and then comes back down. So now we have two bottoms. So that would be a double bottom. Double bottoms are usually bullish if they break above this level. So yeah, above this level, that's a bullish pattern. But yeah, other than that, guys, pretty good, pretty healthy. I like it. I like this double bottom. We met exactly on the bottom. Actually, we got rejected right here, exactly where this candle closed. So yeah, I mean, that would be it. That's if you have any questions, guys, if anyone has more questions, I know most of you guys left. Any of you have more questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. Drop a comment below, of course. If you guys have any coins in particular you guys want me to have a look at, drop it below. Drop a comment. I know most of you guys left, but I see 13 people are watching. So yeah, guys, I mean, that would be it. It looks like that's it. Looks like no one has any questions. No, so I actually don't do daily live streams, actually. I would like to do daily live streams around this time, but I do not do them. This is actually my first time. I'm new to YouTube, about 3 weeks into YouTube, so only 3 weeks. So guys, thank you. 220 subscribers in 3 weeks, 4 weeks. That's freaking amazing. Thank you, guys. I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. If you guys subscribe to my channel and go to my video that I posted earlier, I posted a video. 2 people will have a chance to win $100. So I will be doing a live stream on that. Sorry, not a live stream, some sort of a raffle online. And I will be posting the winner tomorrow on my channel in a daily update. I would like to do. I would like to do. I would like to do it once a week, maybe twice a week. I would like to do it once or twice a week live streams. They're kind of fun. It's my first time doing it, so yeah, we'll see, guys. We'll see. Engine is an NFT coin, and it exploded, guys. That thing just shot off to the moon. Oh my god, this thing went parabolic. This thing went parabolic. Look at that. This thing went parabolic. Yeah, that thing just exploded. I don't like it. I wouldn't hold it. I wouldn't buy it because I don't like getting on coins that, that exploded so much. I'm not interested in them. But we're gonna have to see. I mean, listen, if you guys are in it for the long term, like I said, it really doesn't matter. Do you hold on altcoins? If yes, what is your portfolio like? Okay, guys. I mean, not financial advice, of course, but I really like which one is it? My favorite one is probably Ava. I'm not gonna be telling you guys all of my altcoin portfolio, but my favorite one is probably AVA, and that is because if you guys don't know what Travala is, I have a whole video on that. But in short, Travala, you can now buy hotels, not buy, but like book hotels, book flights, accommodations, activities with Travala, and they accept Bitcoin, VeChain, Link. It's very cool. It's the future. It's 40% cheaper than using Expedia or Booking.com. And this coin absolutely exploded, guys. And we are during COVID, guys. We're in COVID right now. So if you think about it, if you guys think about it, like this thing exploded 477% during the COVID phase. Now imagine when things start to open up again and crypto starts to adapt. People start to adapt to crypto. That's gonna be crazy, right? So when things open up again in the summer, I believe this coin is absolutely gonna explode. When I'm gonna be traveling, I'm definitely gonna be booking with Travel Ava. So I'm holding very heavy on that. It's a long-term hold. I love this coin. It has so much potential, guys. If you guys, you really, really have to, you guys really have to have a look at this. I'm not trying to put some hype into this coin, but this coin actually has a working product. It's legit. It's partnered with Expedia. A lot. It's doing a lot of partnership with a lot of good things, good companies. So guys, it's a legit company with a legit product. Please have a look at it. It has more use than Ethereum in my opinion, like and ADA. Like, I'm sorry to tell you guys, for your ADA fans, I mean, another coin that I like a lot, I mean, I'm obviously holding Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is king. I love Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Ava. I love Chainlink also. Chainlink is a great coin. I'm not holding as much links as I am of AVA, of course, but I am at the end of the day. Matic, guys, Matic. I love Matic. I got into Matic at 0.19. I believe it was right 0.19. It was right here. Yeah, it was right here, guys. It was around this region. I got into Matic, probably my most profitable trade I've ever made in my whole entire life. I told my friends to buy Matic. I told my family to buy Matic. They gave me percentage, of course. Thank you, guys. Shout out to everyone who gave me percentage off it. Even though I made money from it, I made them money. So yeah, Matic Network, Polygon now, guys. XLM. Let's have a look at XLM. You want me to have a look at XLM, or what do I think about it? Yeah, XLM, I mean, listen, it's consolidating. It had this nice rally, nice pullback, consolidating. It looks like we could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the ABC. So it looks like we had an Elliott wave on XLM. Let's have a look at it. This was the first wave, came back down. Second wave, came back down. Third wave. And then after that, we had that nice little ABC correction, I believe. Yeah, Elliott waves are weird, guys. This is not the most perfect Elliott wave, but it does work. We had the nice ABC correction, ABC, and now we are in the accumulation phase. This is the accumulation phase for XLM Stellar. Right here. I would expect a pop soon. It's been sleeping a little bit. So for those of you who are being impatient with Stellar, this is don't be impatient, guys. Don't pull the plug too early. This coin has a lot of potential. And yeah, that is it. Let's see. What is a good amount to buy CHZ? Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, of course. I don't tell you guys what is a good amount. It really depends on your financial situations, of course. I will not be telling you guys, how much to buy. I just do technical analysis. I like to trade. I like to trade coins. But I wouldn't tell you guys, of course, how much to buy. This is not it depends on you and your financial situation, how much you're willing to lose, and all of that. So let's have a look at CHR. Wow. Whoa, that thing exploded. What the hell is this coin, guys? What is that, an NFT? What is this? Wow, 2000%. What is this? Guys, yeah, I think AVA has potential. I love AVA. I mean, if you look, I posted a video about it. If you look about it, if you could go have a look. It's I believe I posted it 3 days ago. You could go have a look at it, and it's I believe it has a lot of potential. Wow, this coin. What is this, guys? CHR. Interesting. Okay, it looks like it's consolidating sideways right now. Okay, NFT. Okay, I assumed there was an NFT. The NFT, exploded. Guys, a lot of, in my opinion, a coin that can explode too. Not financial advice, of course. This is everyone left. There's only 12 people here, but this is for you guys. Not guys. Please go look, have a research on it. Do you guys know Rarible? I don't know if you guys know Rarible, but it is a secret coin of mine. I don't tell a lot of people to buy it. But Rarible, guys, it is going to be insane. I drew these lines, I believe it was 2 days ago. Even 3 days ago I drew these lines, guys. And this is an NFT also, and it's gonna explode. Rarible, are you kidding me? We can easily make 150%. The market cap is low, $30 million. It has so much room for growth. Guys, realistically, this coin, I am not even kidding. Realistically, it could reach like $1,000. It could reach $1,000. This coin is like, you guys, this thing is going parabolic for sure. This thing is going parabolic for sure. This coin is Rarible. Rari, R-A-R-I. You could get Rarible on Gate.io, I believe. That's where I got it. Guys, not financial advice, of course. Of course, never financial advice. Only for educational purpose only. I have to put that out there. But yeah, Rarible. What else? Wax. What about Wax? What is Wax, guys? I don't know half these coins. I also don't know what it does behind it, but Wax. This is the weekly. It's been here since 2018. Yeah, guys, Rarible, I definitely recommend everyone having, guys, go have a look at it. I'm not even kidding. You guys need to do your own research at the end of the day, and it's very, very important, but you guys definitely need to have a look at Rarible. Oh my god, guys, Bitcoin is dumping. Holy shit. Sorry, excuse my language, guys, but Bitcoin is going down. Wow, I did not expect that. Bitcoin is crashing right now. Whoa. Sorry. Whoa, Bitcoin is... Wow. That is crazy. Who would have imagined? And only have 11 people watching. What is this? Guys, give me some more people. Give me a shout out. Like this video. Share this video. Share this live stream. Help me out. Guys, this is crazy. Wow, what a dump. Wow, this is bad news beer, guys. I said that if we break this level, it would be bad news for us. And we are currently breaking it right now. Whoa, the market is absolutely getting destroyed. The market is getting destroyed, guys, right now. It's being murdered. Satoshi Stacker called this for Bitcoin this morning. What is that supposed to mean? What do you mean Satoshi Stacker called this for Bitcoin? What is that supposed to mean? Wow, 44K? Uh, let's see. I mean, listen, I did mention that. First of all, there's a few levels that we have to, we have to watch out for. We got this level right here, and then the next level would be, yeah, I mean, I guess you can say 44K in between this range. That's going to be very interesting. It's going to be interesting. I mean, I don't know. I don't think we go below this level, the 52,000. I've been saying this for about a week now, that we might revisit 52K again. There is a lot of YouTubers, extreme, a lot of extreme people that do say 44K, this, that, Bitcoin dumping, crashing, $1, 0, 100K, 200K. Yeah, it's very possible, guys. At the end of the day, everything's possible, but I like to be more realistic and, go for the more shorter to medium time frame. 44K, I don't know when that could happen. That I really don't know, guys. So we do have strong support, or slight support right here. That was resistance and now support. So all of this right here is pretty good, holding nicely. So we're gonna see where this falls. But Bitcoin, oh my goodness, 88, guys. Yeah, so maybe 80 is gonna revisit again, guys. This is unbelievable. It's crazy. We've been in this rage for quite some time now, and yeah, we're gonna have to see what it does. Like, it's I mean, if Bitcoin keeps dumping 6%, when was the last time we saw a 6% drop on Bitcoin? I don't even know when that was. Like, that's crazy. Yeah, that's insane. Wow. 88, 6%. I literally like looked away for like 5 seconds. Thank you, man. Thank you. Wow, legit looked away for 3 seconds and that whole thing dumped. Yeah, so I like I mentioned earlier, Sanjay, is that Bitcoin. I mentioned this in all my daily update videos. Every time I start my videos, I usually say, I'm gonna start off with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the king and he is the leader of altcoins. So yes, Bitcoin is the leader of altcoins, not altcoins, but he is the leader of market. And usually when Bitcoin, crashes, the market will see a crash. Most of the time, as you can see, Bitcoin is down, almost 6%, and everything's just straight up bleeding. So, um, yeah. So, except like, yeah, let's take this away. So yeah, essentially, if Bitcoin goes down, ADA will go down. So, and most of the altcoins, AVA and VeChain and Chiliz, and most of these coins, they will go down. So yeah, it's messed up. It's crazy. It's interesting though. If you guys got any more questions, anything else you guys would like to share, something you guys want, if you guys want me to have a look at something, let me know. Comment below. Comment below and let me know. Yeah, this is the point of control for ADA right here. For you guys who don't know the volume profile, for you guys who don't know what the volume profile is, the volume profile is essentially, it tells you the amount of money that's been traded in that price range. The volume tells you the amount of money that's been traded in the time frame. So yeah, that's that. Are you buying this dip or am I letting it ride out? I had a few orders actually on this dip on Bitcoin. I had a few orders. I had an order right here. I had an order right here. It is down, but it's better than to buy right here and then to drop down. So that's pretty good. Bitcoin, it is being supported right now at the, oh shit guys, my bad. My mistake. So yeah, Bitcoin, it looks like it's being, it looks like it's covering right here. Sorry guys, that was my bad on my part. So yeah, we are seeing Bitcoin recover. I mean, it's not recovering, it's being supported nicely right here. When will this dumping end? Free market cipher. Okay, let's have a look at it. I mean, it's, do you guys know Crypto Face? Is that, it's his indicator, right? Free market cipher. I don't see any market cipher. We got market cipher A and market cipher B. You guys want? What is it? Market cipher Israel? What is that? Ah, okay. This. Is this what you're looking at? Yeah, Bitcoin is slightly dumping right now. Guys, remember, if you guys haven't subscribed and like my other video, please do. I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. $100. Okay, so market cipher, let's see. So this is essentially the EMA ribbons. He just has it its own way. That's interesting. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Crypto Face. I mean, listen, I was thinking of getting this indicator, but these technical indicators, like I'm not sure how accurate they are. Like, I mean, yeah, we saw an X right here and an X right here, which indicated a dump. But I feel like these X's, they come after the dump, like when we're like right here, you know? Like they don't come in right away, so. No, I'm not so young, man. I'm 26 years old. Is that young? I don't know. Is that young? Crescent, is that young? Am I young? Thank you, man. I mean, at the end of the day, it's not about how young I am. It's about how long I've been in this market for. And I've been in crypto for about 6 years now. I was in the stock market trading for a few years. So, yeah, I mean, how long have you guys been in this market for? How long have you guys been trading? Yeah, how old are you, man? I guess that's young. I thought only like, yeah, you know, young people were in crypto. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, right here, I believe. Yeah, I know the red X means to go short, but I feel like what I'm saying is I'm not saying it's inaccurate. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that I feel like this red dot only came in like 5 hours after. That's what I'm trying to say. Swing trading. Okay, yeah, swing trading is the way to go in my opinion. I like swing trading. Day trading is more stressful. I don't day trade. I'm more of a swing trader. I'll day trade maybe, you know, once or twice a week. I'll take like 4 or 5 trades a day, but I'm not a big fan of day trading myself. I like to swing trade, and you know, it's day trading is a little bit stressful. So yeah. But yeah, we saw a red dot right here. But you see, we also saw a green dot, so it contradicts the situation a little bit. Yeah, market side. Yeah, okay, so you're talking about right here. Okay, I see. Okay, listen, I'm definitely gonna have a look at this indicator. I'm gonna save it and have a look at it. Maybe I will get the the one from CryptoFace. Maybe I'll purchase it. I don't know, but does this work? Are they the same? Are they accurate? I know he sells his. Um, but I don't know. You what are your guys' thoughts on it? Where to start with trading? So I mean, listen. You can start with trading. First of all, I would probably recommend learning the basics of trading. Sorry. Do you know what the candles are? Do you guys have an idea of these candles? I mean, I'm assuming you guys have an idea what the candles are, correct? I hope you guys. I mean, I'm sure you guys do. I mean, the first thing with trading is essentially learning the candles, the patterns, price action, um, volume, and then after that, support, resistance. This is support. Think about it as a wall. We're being held by two hands. Think about it as that. So yeah, support, resistance would be my two main ones. No candles? You don't understand candles? I could tell you guys how candles work right now if you guys would like to. And also, I'm pretty sure CryptoFace uses Heiken Ashi. I've checked his videos before. He uses these candles. These are the candles CryptoFace uses. Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, money flow, I could add it myself. This is the money flow index. Like, okay, here, I got money flow right here. He just has it in his chart. So, I believe, no. Yeah, he just has money flow in his chart. It's like together. Here, this is the money flow index. Exactly, the green line. That's literally all what CryptoFace has it. So, yeah, I mean, that's the money flow index. It's going down, going up. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how he has it. Except his package comes with everything. We're seeing Bitcoin cover a little bit right now. So yeah, this is Heiken Ashi candles. Whoa, what just happened just now? These are the Heiken Ashi candles right here. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. I like to trade naked charts most of the time. I like naked charts, but support, resistance, and volume. I like the volume profile. Guys, in my opinion, the volume profile, it's probably the most legit indicator out there. The volume profile is, in fact, the most legit indicator out there. Let me just switch that for a second. And I'll tell you guys why in a second. I'll tell you guys why in a second, why the volume profile is the most realist indicator out there. Let's pull it out. Okay, guys, so this is the volume profile. This was a very crucial point of control. The red line comes by itself. It tells you guys, where exactly where it was. The most volume in the price action. So right here in this region right here, we had the most volume traded at this region right here, 57,000. We had the most price action, the most volume essentially. So so around this region, that was the point of this off this control. We saw bounces up here, a bounce right here, a bounce up there. So we're seeing big candles around this, the point of control. We saw this big wick right here, this big candle, sorry. We saw these two big candles right here, this big wick, and we saw this huge candle up to the upside, and now we're seeing three big red candles. So as you can see, we saw it right here also. So this indicator, guys, it is fact. It's a true indicator. It is not a lagging indicator. I'm not hating on CryptoFace or RSIs or moving averages, which I use. I'm not, I'm not saying his indicator is bad or anything, but they are a little bit laggy, and they're a little, and lagging indicators, you do play behind a little bit. With the volume profile, you're not playing behind. You're playing with facts. It's the truth. It is what it is now. So so that's the volume profile. It's a very, very strong and powerful indicator. As you can see, we saw big moves around here. If I go to the daily time, and it changes all the time, guys. It's the volume profile changes all the time. It's not the same. As you can see here, we took off. We literally took off around here. That means here there was the most. That's where the price was traded the most. As you can see, it was consolidating, trading, and then we just took off. So that's a very crucial point of control. But it's also on a time frame, guys. It doesn't have to be specifically in that specific zone. It's in a time frame. So if I pull this back a little bit, so the point of control will be right here, right? Because it's only been around these days. So I don't know if that makes sense for you guys. It's a little bit technical, this indicator. It took me time to learn it, but to study it. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you guys have any more questions, any more thing you guys want me to cover, let me know. Leave a comment. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you for joining this stream. Tomorrow there will be a daily update, guys. So this is gonna be it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.